Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to see your saved item list on the Target website. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to target.com and you'll be greeted by a website looking something like this. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Target. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how to target videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Target official website where you can go and see everything what they can offer you. So here we have the categories where you can see all the categories that you can buy from. So toys, baby, grocery, home stuff and everything. Here we have deals where you can see some top deals, Target Circle deals, weekly ads, etc. Get the new end features, all right, where here we have Target new arrivals, Target finds, etc. And we have the pickup and delivery, where you can shop order pickup, shop same day delivery. If you want something here, you can go and search it for here. So if you have something specific that you would like, and here we have the sign in option, and also here we get the cart where you can go guys and see everything that is actually in your cart. In the top side of the website guys, we can see that we have Target Circle card, Target Circle 360, registry, weekly ad, and the find stores option. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see your saved item list on Target website. Well, you can access your Target account in here on your name. Then guys, you just need to go here and see the favorites, which is one of the last things. And that's basically where everything will be. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.